Time for a quick tip video. Let's get to it. Alright, just doing a little maintenance on this CRV, and I figured I'd bring you along for a quick tip. I'm changing the air filter, and you know, when you pull the air filter out, of course it looks dirty, looks like it needs to be changed, but we have no idea when it was done last. The owner doesn't know, and I didn't do it, so I don't know either. So here's my little tip. What I like to do is I'll write the date and the miles right on the air filter. That way anybody who services it next, including me, will know exactly when it was done. I also do the same thing for cabin air filters. I'll write the same info on there when I install it, so I know next time I look at it when it was done. So in any event, that's my little quick tip of the day, and as always, if you enjoyed the video or it helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Okay, you guys still here? Alright, for those of you who stuck around to the end, little bonus tip. What do I use to mark those air filters? Well, if I can, I'll just use a standard black Sharpie. Like in the case of this CRV, I was able to use this on the cabin air filter, but on the engine air filter I couldn't. So I used this gray Milwaukee Inksol. These work pretty well. I have a black one of these too. I definitely like those Milwaukees. If those don't work, I'll use a paint pen like this. So this just has paint in there. You just gotta be careful not to make a mess. So that's typically what I'll use to mark those filters. Thanks for sticking around to the end.